has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Orange County, East Central Florida, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Orlando and Azalea Park. This includes the following streams and drainages: Little Ecomohachi River. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report observed flooding to local emergency services or law enforcement and request they pass this information to the National Weather Service when you can do so safely. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Orange, Florida. River flood warning for the following counties in Florida: Lake and Volusia. Flood warning.
Even though it's for my county, this one didn't go off. Fix that.